For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and check out more than 700 videos honoring the home, celebrating heritage, and spreading hope.
Welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Miss Katie. I want to give you a short tutorial today on how I have been steaming broccoli for years. It's not mushy and gray looking, but just perfectly steamed. Today I have these 2 bags, 16 ounces each, of broccoli. Now, it does tell you on the bag that you can steam it in the bag in the microwave, but I don't have a microwave, and I try not to use one when I'm near one because of the health ramifications. So I have put both of these bags of frozen broccoli pieces in this pot. Now you notice the pot has it's a bigger pot. So you've got the surface base is larger than if you had a taller pot and not as wide on the bottom. I have put enough water on the bottom to make it about, probably about a little bit less than an inch tall of water. You know, the broccoli's frozen, so it's already got water in it, but the key is not much water. Probably, like I said, about maybe 3/4 of an inch to an inch of water, and that would be the max. And then I use real salt on the top, and sometimes I use bacon grease for flavoring. That's really good too. So then I turn my eye on high, and of course we're using gas stove here, and it cooks hotter and faster, so your results are going to be different if you're using electric. Not results, but your timing. So just turn it on high, put the lid on, and you're going to wait until you see steam.
Okay, it's been roughly 11 to 12 minutes on high on the gas stove. Gas heats hotter and faster and cooks at a more even temperature. So if you have an electric, just modify. Okay, so it's been about that long. Actually, it was a couple minutes extra because I just now got a phone call. But that's okay. I'm looking for the steam. So I have the steam. I don't want to lift it up much, but I can tell I have the steam. I'm going to reduce the heat just barely under high, not even to medium yet, or at all, not even to medium, so barely under high. And I want it to get a good semi-boil / good simmer for probably about 6 minutes. Now the key again is to not use too much water. The package says to use 2 cups of water for a 16-ounce bag of broccoli, and that's just going to be mush. That's okay if you're trying to make soup, but we're not. And you just want enough water in the bottom of the pan, and you're going to leave this on and let it steam for roughly, really anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes is what I've done in the past. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off, and it has been approximately 6 minutes from the time I first saw the steam a minute ago, like I told y'all. And it's really, it's not mushy, and you can stick the fork in the stem, and it's not hard, and it's not mushy, and it's still a little bit green. It's not the grayish color. So what I'm going to do is drain this. If I wanted to make a soup, I would, if I was making broccoli and cheese soup, I would actually just mash this in the water right now and carry on with my recipe that way. But for now, I'm going to drain this for a casserole. If you want it a little bit more crunchy, if you will, that's not the right word. So if you want it a little bit you know, less done than this, then obviously reduce that 6 to 8 minute time to maybe 4 to 6 minutes. So that is how to cook broccoli, and I hope it helps you. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and check out more than 700 videos honoring the home, celebrating heritage, and spreading hope.